Cornell is committed to diversity. And one of the challenges is how do you feed people in a diverse environment? Very simply, there are two big parts. The first part has been getting all the ingredients to be sure that they are certified kosher. The big thing that's happening today is something called equipment kosherization. So the rabbis want to be sure that the equipment meets the religious requirements for producing kosher food. The rabbis divide equipment into three categories. Cold equipment below 110, above 110 but moist, and then things that are dry heat, like baking. And the rules for the three categories are different. So anything that's cold has to be just well cleaned out, which in a dairy plant is not a big deal because dairy plants are highly regulated. So the rabbis are comfortable with anything below 110 in a dairy plant is clean. Then it's that moist area of 110 above that requires what's called hagala, or the pouring of hot water through the system, which is what we're going to do this morning. We don't have anything that's in the baking category. There are approximately 1,300 kosher organizations around the world. I break them into three categories. There are those that I call the normative mainstream. They are all slightly different, but they each will take each other's products. So Star K, OU, Cuff K, Circle K, and the Chicago Rabbinical Council are often considered the big five. They are all normative mainstream. I can tell you little differences between them, but for practical purposes, you can use them interchangeably. We are allowed to sell to other state universities. Now, most of them are probably buying ice cream from somebody else that is kosher, because most ice cream, other than university ice cream, is kosher. And so that would allow them now to make the change and be able to advertise we're selling Cornell kosher ice cream.